I'm Richard Stoyeck of StocksAtBottom.com. Let's talk about a stock investment. What is a stock investment? When you make an investment in a company, essentially what it is a company is broken up into numerous different points of ownership. So you may have a company that's represented by, let's say, 1,000 shares of stock. One share equals one certificate. It could be like this, and 1,000 shares. So you have 1,000 different holders of the company, 1,000 different shareholders. They each have one share in the company. There's 1,000 shares. That represents the totality of the company, 1,000 shares. If you own one share out of 1,000, you own 1,000th of the company. If the company makes $1,000 at the end of the year, you would actually be in control of about $1 of that company. So that's what a stock investment really is. To me, it's no different than a real estate investment. It's no different than buying a piece of an oil well, all right? It's an investment in a business. And to me, a business is a living, growing organism, like a human being. IBM has been around now since the beginning of the 20th century, 1915, 1918 or so. It's been around over 85, 87 years. That's the life of a long-aged human being. And it's been a growth company for most of those years out of those 85 years of existence. A lot of companies are like that. General Electric, Johnson & Johnson first went public back in the very early 1900s. Johnson & Johnson's probably been public about 100 years. As a matter of fact, that's the longest lasting, most successful stock investment for a century. I believe that Johnson & Johnson has grown at a compound rate of about 20% per year, and it's probably slowing down now, for about 90% of its existence. So had you been an investor in Johnson & Johnson back in the early 1900s, small investors, let's say you put up $1,000, that $1,000 is today worth well over $1 million. It's up over 1,000 times because you have compounding working for you for close to 100 years. That's what a stock investment is all about. It's no different than buying any other type of investment, except it involves stocks as opposed to real estate or as opposed to your own business. And stock investments are a marvelous way, if you buy wisely and shrewdly and hold for the long term. It's a wonderful way for you to make a great deal of money, to amass a great deal of wealth in your lifetime. So I advocate that everybody, to some extent, get involved with stock investments, stock investing. Buy smart, buy for the long term, put it away, and just let your money grow. And thank you for coming to our site today. Have a great day.